I believe in your teaching us the human body, and you are doing a wonderful job. And I can't wait to get my device to be able to heal. I have a fibroids in my uterus right now. I want to just thank you for the Zoom meeting you're doing. Spend the time to teach humans to understand the body. People need to understand, and you are doing a wonderful job. And God bless your journey
Thank you very much. Thank you for that.
from Canada. And I will be more thrilling to send this product to Brazil to help a lot of autism families that dealing with autism, mental issues, because we need healing in this world today,
Absolutely. Absolutely.
right? I
Thank you.
mean, amen. You're
Yeah.
welcome. Thank you.
I just want everyone uh, to know that they have the opportunity to heal themselves. This device can touch on a lot of people's lives in Brazil, in anywhere, because
Amen.
this device can heal you. Can you imagine?
They complain, but they don't see. If they go to their expenses, they can kind of saving money like I did. I'm not a millionaire in Canada, but I know what is more important for me today is my health, my well-being, my happiness, mentally, physically. Because without this, we're nothing. We're just
Yeah.
vulnerable human beings.
Thank you so much. We need more people like you.
I know, and I'm more thrilled. I'm gonna be listening to your meetings, and I'm gonna be putting because certain words waking people up. Continue your journey because you are God's people. You are God's people. You know, in the Bible they say God chooses the prophets, the people who is going to help other. You are the one.
Amen.
Amen.